putting the Ray-Ban Metas.
Complete. Kinda talking a little bit.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to yet again another banger. So today we're going to be doing some stuff with both cars. I'm going to be taking my rear wheels off and lowering my rear about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch. The wife is going to be installing a harness and harness bar. I'm going to be taking my seats out because I have to re-drill the holes for my seat brackets. And then I'm also going to be putting the Ray-Ban Metas to work. These glasses have cameras inside the lenses, so it'll give you like a point of view type of deal. I've used them already in the vlogs for like intros of driving and stuff like that, but with that being said, I'll get back to y'all when we get down there. Alright guys, as you just saw, I cleaned my interior a little bit. I need a vacuum to get it clean how I want it clean. I got my seats pulled. Passenger seat, I'm just going to reinstall it back. Driver's seat, I got to change the bracket because the holes don't align right. So I'm going to get set up for that and then switch back to the sunglasses. Alright guys, I got my seats remounted. The lower bracket is on this one now, so both my seats have lower brackets. Next is going to be a gauge cluster overlay. All right guys, as you just saw, I installed these overlays on these 3 gauges. Now it's time to do these gauges. Alright guys, as you can see, I have my white overlay faces on there and then on those 3 gauges. So now the interior is feeling more complete. Alright, quick update. I got the harnesses in my wife's car. Got the harness bar in. Got the driver's seat back in. Now I just need to re-bracket the passenger seat, put the passenger seat in, put the harnesses on, and then I'll be done with her car. All right guys, we have gotten my wife's harnesses and harness bar installed, her new passenger seat bracket mount. So I'm gonna get some B-rolls of that real quick because this thing looks fire now. But the harnesses that we installed are Brom 4-point harnesses and then a Brom harness bar that we had picked up on eBay. The harnesses we got off of a homie. Shout out to her, we appreciate that. But wife is now set. All right guys, rear is fucking lowered now. I no longer have the fucking fender tire gap. Kind of tucking a little bit. Not much, but tucking a little bit. So, but she is sitting way better than she was before. So, kudos. Alright guys, I just realized I didn't record an outro while I'm editing this video, so therefore I'm gonna record one now. But anyways, we got her harness bar in, her harness is in, her passenger seat bracket in. Everything is back in her car and looking mint. I dropped my rear about 1.5 inches, and then I fixed my passenger seat bracket, and then put my gauge cluster overlays in. And other than that, it was a pretty bomb-ass day getting shit done and fixed on these cars. I think the next video is going to be the wrap video, but I'm not going to tell you what color it is. So until then, if you like this video, leave a comment, drop a subscribe so you can enjoy the mod life of mine and my wife's 350Zs and even our 4Runner. And the daily day in the life videos. Might record one tomorrow, not sure. So until next time, peace out and stay groovy.